Hi, I'm Deb from Louisville Public Library, and if you like animals and making things, I've got a great project for you. I'm going to tell you how to make a very simple bird feeder from things that you should have at home. You won't even have to go to the store. Do you have any leftover pasta or cooked rice in the refrigerator? You could use that, or some chopped up bananas or other fruit. You'll need some peanut butter. If you've had squash or a melon lately, you could use the seeds from that. Or raisins, if you soak them in warm water and they get nice and squishy, that's another great treat for birds. This is all you need: some peanut butter, a cardboard tube, some string, and then something that you can squish onto the peanut butter, whatever food that you have available in your kitchen. I'm going to use some chopped up apple, and I have some bird seed that is sunflower seeds. Just take your butter knife and spread the peanut butter onto the tube, and then squish on the apple or banana or whatever you're going to put on your peanut butter. Thread a string through the middle of your tube and you're ready to go hang it up. Here's where I hung my bird feeder, on this big bush. Little birds like a place to hide near where they're eating, so this is a good choice. Also, it's hard for the squirrels to climb on this bush, so it'll be safe from those rascals. Here's a few of the birds that you might see in your backyard and a couple of fun facts. This is the black-capped chickadee. I'm sure you've seen him around, and you probably heard him. He makes a sound that sounds like his name, chickadee-dee-dee, chickadee-dee-dee. And the more dee-dee notes that are at the end of his call means that he's upset or agitated. Maybe there's an owl nearby, which is dangerous for little birds. But maybe if you go out to feed him and he's used to seeing you, he might just have one little D at the end, which means he's happy to see you. This is a house finch. I think they're so pretty. Once you start feeding, get one coming to your feeder regularly, they'll remember where their food is and they'll keep coming back as long as you keep the bird feeder full. This is a blue jay. You can't miss them when they're around. They're so noisy. And they are actually very talented. They can imitate the sounds of hawks, cats, and humans. And this is the magpie. They're very intelligent birds, and they also stay close to home. A magpie doesn't go more than 6 miles from where he's born, and they're very loyal to the same mate for their whole life. This is the mourning dove, or also called the turtle dove, and you've probably heard their sad call, hoo hoo hoo, hoo hoo. But it's only the male who makes that sound. And when he does, he's calling to his mate. I hope you had fun making your bird feeder. If you'd like to learn more about birds, this is a great website you should check out called All About Birds that's curated by Cornell University, and it's geared towards kids. Also, check out Louisville Public Library's Facebook page for more fun things to learn and do. Thanks for joining me.